Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Gmail account you intend to delete. This ensures you control recovery and link services. Next, export your data with Google Takeout or the Gmail export option, because once removed, messages and contacts may be unrecoverable. Make sure to check and record any linked accounts, subscriptions, and saved payment methods that rely on this address. Once done, open your Google account settings and prepare to navigate to Data and Privacy so you can remove the service. Now you move through the actual deletion flow. In Data and Privacy, locate Delete a Google service and select it. Google asks you to verify identity so it protects other users. Re-enter your password, complete any two-step prompts, and then choose the trash icon next to Gmail. Carefully read each confirmation. Google explains which content will be removed and what remains in other services. When you confirm deletion, make sure you have an alternate email to keep access to other Google services tied to the account. Finish by confirming the deletion link Google sends to your alternate email. This final confirmation completes the process and prevents accidental loss. Once confirmed, allow a few hours for changes to propagate across services, and make sure to sign in elsewhere with your alternate address as needed. If you encounter errors, first verify your two-factor devices and recent sign-in activity, then try again. If deletion failed because of verification issues, restore from your exported backup and repeat the deletion steps once authentication is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.